Hello, this is going to be a video about my new tractor that I just bought. It is a combination of two Ford 8N and 9N. We just picked it up and this is how it looks. It has some truck wheels, front wheels. It's been converted to 12-volt system. The carburetor is dirty, but it runs fine. It has no stepping platforms, and that's the seat. This is how the steering wheel looks. Needs to be replaced. The gauges don't work. It has a new switch. It has some bad shaped tires, but they do hold air. Came out with implements, set of discs. The PTO works. Let us go around. This tire is good condition. Okay, I said a combination of 4N tractors because the front end, from the motor to the front, I suspect is an 8N because of the serial number. It says 8N, but the rear, from the transmission and the differential, that's a 9N because of the 4-speed transmission. 1, 2, 3, 4, and reverse. 3-speed transmission, I'm sorry. And because this is not cast aluminum, it is steel and has a hubcap, the radiator cap on top. It looks like a 9N overall. It has a truck wheels, but this part too is from the 9N, and also the back wheels, because they have the smooth finish here. That's a 9N, early 1939, before 41, so that's why I suspect it's a 9N. Supposedly got a hydraulic rebuild maybe like 10 years ago. That's by the way, the PTO and the hydraulics work fantastic. They work like if they're brand new. That's why I chose this tractor. I didn't pay that much. I paid $1,800 for it. It came with a tractor running. It has a new starter, about 2 years old. This is it needs a little bit of fixes. The oil hasn't been changed. Looks milky because it's been in the weather outside. Let me just focus here. Okay, so it needs work, but it is running fine. I'll make another video. It's leaking water from under, very little water. And let's check real quick the transmission fluid so you see how it looks. It just looks and needs to be changed because it's not milky, it's all rusty. Okay, so this is a combination between two tractors, 8N, which has a front or the engine, a 9N, which it originally was a 9N, but still, it's a nice cute tractor. It works and everything, so we're just looking to fix it and let it run for a few more decades. By the way, these are the implements that came with. Came with a spreader, 4-feet spreader, and a scraper, small scraper, but still. So these two were free, two other with the discs, and that little tractor for $1,800 in working condition and in decent shape for its age. Okay, I'm hoping to fix everything, all the major problems that it has, and upload a video. This is a before. Make sure to look for the after video. Okay, thank you, and please like. Thanks.